Hey guys, welcome to another video where I start building the foundation for you to get deeper into the cryptocurrency world. But first, a few words about technology. So many things are going on, and the changes that we are going to experience in the next 5 to 10 years are probably bigger than the changes that in the past happened in about 300 years. We are getting into this world of internet where everything is connected. We have 5G, artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, machine learning, you name it. And you can't stay behind. And if you think that cryptocurrencies is not the money of the future, then you are simply wrong. This is part of the new technologies that are here to stay, and it's only a matter of time until the mass will adopt it. The more early you get in, the bigger the advantage you'll have over others. And yes, now it's still very, very early. Something like the internet was around 20 years ago. As I mentioned in the previous video, this is only the beginning of the revolution, and now it's the time to step in. If you want to learn more about this topic, then hit the subscribe button and follow me. We will discuss everything about cryptocurrencies, trading, money making, and motivation. I'm going to share with you some great secrets and tools that help me a lot in making money and get to where I am today. So join me and stay tuned. Now here is an interesting thought that might help you understand why I think Bitcoin can reach much higher rates over the long run. So we mentioned in the previous video that Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins. Until now, about 19 million coins were already mined and added to the circulation. Now, consider that this number is a bit misleading, as around a third of it are lost Bitcoins that can never be recovered. In addition, we are objectively getting closer to the limit of the overall supply. By the way, it's not something that is going to happen soon, but it doesn't contradict the fact that the supply is getting smaller and smaller. So at the same time, the demand is only increasing. As for now, it's still only an extremely low percent of the overall population, maybe around 5% that hold Bitcoin. And only relatively small amount of businesses that accept crypto money. But what's going to happen when 10% of the people will be in? 20%, 50%. That's right, the demand will drive the prices higher like crazy. By the way, this is exactly the opposite than what's happening with the USD. The Federal Reserve was printing more and more bills based on a thin air. And now what? Now the prices are higher and the supply of the currency is too high. As a result, we are seeing the dollar's value going lower and lower. So next time, when you hear crazy predictions for the Bitcoin price, know where they come from, because the moon is still far, far away.